Hello, my name is Michelle, and today I'm going to be showing you my do-it-yourself before and after. Today we're going to be using WELLA Color Charm Permanent Color and WELLA Color Charm paints. Also along with their WELLA Color Charm 20 volume. Starting off with their WELLA Color Charm Permanent Color 6R along with their 20 volume developer. Mixing ratio would be 1 part color, 2 parts developer. Now I'm going to apply my permanent color to my roots, straight down the middle section and along the sides to give a T-part section. Now doing my hairline, and we're going to start creating nice diagonal sections. I find it easier to use a brush and a bowl to ensure I get great coverage and also a nice blend. Now I'm going to continue on the opposite side, still creating those nice diagonal sections. Now I'm going to continue applying color in the back of my head. I'm going to create vertical sections from the top of the crown to the bottom of the nape. It can be difficult to apply color in the back of your head, so doing vertical sections helps tremendously, especially with coverage and also time. Now that I'm done applying my root color, I'm going to take my tail comb and comb through my root color. This will give me a nice blended root, also known as a shadow root. Now set timer for 30 minutes. Shampoo and no conditioner. Next up is WELLA Color Charm paints. Today I'm going to be using red and raspberry. These colors don't need any developer. They can be mixed straight from the tube. I'm going to mix half red and half raspberry. Now that my root color has been washed out, I'm going to dry my hair just a little bit. Now I'm going to apply my paints at my roots first, using the same technique I used with the permanent color. Once I'm done applying the color at my roots, I'm going to pull the color through my ends, working it through with my brush in my hand. Now I'm going to comb through the color, then I'm going to clip it up, set a timer for 20 minutes. Then you're going to rinse and condition. Wow, my hair feels amazing. Look at that shine, that shadow root, and that brightness of that red. Hope you guys enjoyed this do-it-yourself before and after. Thanks again. See you soon.